If you're considering Wrike for your project management needs, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making that decision. Stick around, because I'm going to share some crucial insights that could help you decide if Wrike is the right fit for you. First off, Wrike offers a great balance of features for teams, but if you're coming from something like Asana or Trello, you might notice that its interface is a bit more complex. It's not as straightforward as Asana's simple task-based interface, but Wrike provides a much more robust set of tools for larger teams, especially when you're handling complex projects. The learning curve might be steeper, but that complexity can be a huge benefit in the right context. Next thing to know, Wrike's customization options. If you love the idea of customizing your workflows, Wrike's flexibility is something you'll appreciate. Unlike other software like Monday.com that has templates you can modify, Wrike allows you to create fully tailored dashboards, reports, and workflows to fit your team's exact needs. It's more customizable, but again, that comes with a learning curve. Don't expect to dive in and be an expert in an hour. The third thing you need to know, Wrike's integration ecosystem. Wrike integrates with over 400 third-party apps, including heavy hitters like Salesforce, Google Drive, and Slack. This is a game changer for teams that rely heavily on those tools. However, if you're already using a tool like ClickUp, you might find that ClickUp's integrations are just a bit more streamlined and easier to set up. Wrike does require a little more configuration, but once it's in place, the integrations work smoothly. The fourth thing to keep in mind, Wrike's time tracking features. While Wrike does offer built-in time tracking, it might not be as intuitive or user-friendly as a tool like Harvest. If your team's projects are very time-sensitive or you need detailed tracking reports, you might find the feature a bit lacking. But if time tracking isn't a deal breaker for you, Wrike does provide enough to get the job done. Next thing, Wrike's reporting and analytics. If you're managing large teams and need granular reporting, Wrike is one of the best options out there. The reporting capabilities far surpass what you'd get with tools like Basecamp or Trello. You can create custom reports, track progress in real time, and dive deep into data to see how projects are evolving. But here's the catch. Advanced reporting features can take some time to set up and configure, so be prepared to invest a bit of effort to get everything running the way you want. The sixth thing to know is about collaboration within Wrike. If your team values real-time collaboration, Wrike offers a solid platform with in-app communication tools like task comments, proofing tools, and document sharing. The collaboration features are much more advanced compared to tools like Zoho projects, but it's worth noting that if you need more streamlined chat features, you might still want to rely on something like Slack for quick conversations. Wrike's communication features are robust but more structured, which may be a plus for large teams but a bit overkill for smaller ones. Lastly, Wrike's pricing model. Wrike offers multiple pricing tiers, from free for very small teams to enterprise-level packages with advanced features. While the free version is great for small teams, you'll find that unlocking all of Wrike's advanced tools, like custom workflows, Gantt charts, and reporting, requires a premium plan. If you're used to a tool like Trello that's free with basic functionality, Wrike's paid plans might feel like a bit of an investment. However, for larger teams or businesses with complex project needs, it could be totally worth it. To sum up, if you need a project management tool that offers flexibility, deep customization, and robust reporting, Wrike is a great option, especially for larger teams. But if you're someone who prefers a simpler interface or just needs something lightweight, there are alternatives that might suit you better. Wrike shines in complexity and flexibility, but it's not the easiest tool to master. If you want to give Wrike a try for yourself, click the first link in the description to access the best free trial available and get some exclusive benefits.